Have you ever met someone who always seems to know how to fix things? Not just broken objects, but situations. When something goes wrong, they don't panic. They pause, think, and then act. It almost looks natural. But it's not random. People who know how to fix everything usually develop that ability over time. One reason is how they deal with pressure. Instead of reacting emotionally right away, they create space in their mind, just enough to think clearly. Because when you think clearly, you can see solutions others miss. They break problems down, step by step. Instead of seeing one big issue, they see smaller parts that can be solved, and that makes things feel manageable. Another reason is experience. Most people who are good at fixing things have faced challenges before. Situations where they had no choice but to figure things out on their own. So they learned what works, what doesn't, and how to adjust quickly. And if this is you, follow to understand your behavior.